You've probably heard people say the metaverse is dead. But here's the truth. While the hype cooled off, the money didn't. In fact, the metaverse has quietly become one of the most overlooked sources of passive income in Web3. And today, we're revealing exactly how people are making thousands of dollars a month by investing in digital real estate without needing to be a developer or even buy a VR headset. We'll break down what's working right now, which platforms actually pay, and how to turn pixels into profit. Let's get into it. Chapter 1. Why digital real estate isn't a joke. When people hear digital real estate, they often imagine overpriced JPEGs or hype-driven land sales from 2021. But the real opportunity goes way deeper. In the same way websites and YouTube channels became valuable digital assets over time, digital land is now being monetized like physical property through rent, advertising, e-commerce, gaming economies, and brand partnerships. Big brands like Nike, Atari, and Gucci have already bought virtual land. Why? Because attention is shifting online. And in the metaverse, landowners control the traffic, and where attention goes, money follows. Chapter 2. Top platforms that actually generate income. Not all metaverse platforms are equal. Here are 3 where people are currently making money. 1. The Sandbox. You can buy land, rent it out to brands or creators, or build mini games and experiences using their tools. Some land plots near big brands have sold or rented for tens of thousands. 2. Decentraland. This platform is known for hosting events and virtual stores. You can build art galleries, run NFT shops, or lease space to projects that want exposure. 3-Point NFT Worlds, now rebranded as Topia. This Minecraft-compatible metaverse allows staking of worlds, renting for play-to-earn games, and even developer partnerships to monetize your world passively. We'll talk about ROI in a second, but first, if this is blowing your mind already, hit that like button and subscribe. At Super Capital, we simplify crypto, passive income, and AI strategies to help you win in the digital economy. Stick around, what's coming next could be your next cash flow stream. Chapter 3. Real ways to earn passive income with metaverse land. Let's break down 5 proven strategies to generate passive income from metaverse real estate. 1. Renting out land. If you own land, you can lease it to businesses, creators, or DAOs. This is like owning a commercial building. Others pay to use your space. In the Sandbox, monthly rent for high-traffic plots ranges from $150 to over $2,000, depending on location and foot traffic. 2. Virtual advertising, own land on a busy street. You can install billboards and sell ad space. Projects pay to reach foot traffic, just like Times Square, but virtual. 3. Hosting events. You don't need to be a celebrity. Music shows, NFT launches, and conferences all need virtual venues. You get paid to host or split ticket sales. 4th, build to earn. Hire a freelancer to develop a virtual shop or game on your land. These experiences can generate income through tips, in-game purchases, or entry fees. 5. Resell with yield. History. Like flipping rental properties, you can sell land that already has an income record. A virtual plot with a history of earnings sells for much more than raw land. Chapter 4. Costs, risks, and what to watch out for. It's not all upside. Here are key risks and how to avoid them. Platform risk. If the metaverse you're on dies, your land becomes worthless. Stick to top-tier platforms with active dev teams. Liquidity risk. Virtual land isn't as liquid as crypto. It can take weeks or months to sell. Development cost. Some experiences require hiring builders or devs. Budget at least $500 to $2,000 for quality builds. Speculation trap. Don't just buy because of hype. Focus on utility, traffic, and monetization potential. Pro tip. Look for land near spawn points, major brands, or active event areas. Chapter 5. Turnkey ways to start with less risk. Don't want to buy land yet? Here are low-cost entry points. Rent land and build a business. Start a small NFT gallery or virtual store on someone else's plot. You split profits, but avoid upfront costs. Join Metaverse DAOs. Projects like Metakey or Parcel DAO offer fractional ownership and revenue sharing from Metaverse real estate portfolios. Offer services. If you're a designer, coder, or marketer, you can earn by helping others monetize their land. It's a digital version of being a property manager. And here's the best part. You can stack this with real-world crypto rewards, like the Gemini credit card. When you sign up using our referral link and make your first purchase, you'll get $50 in Bitcoin after your first statement period. Use it to reinvest into your digital assets. Link in the description. Exists Chapter 6. How much can you actually make? Let's be real. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. But here's what real numbers look like. Renting out land, $100 to $2,000 per month. Ad revenue, $50 to $500 per month. Event hosting, $200 to $5,000 per event. In-game commerce, unlimited, but depends on traffic. Reselling developed plots, up to 5 times return if monetized. If you're smart and consistent, earning $500 to $1,500 per month in passive income is totally doable. And the cool part? Once it's set up, it runs on autopilot. The metaverse isn't just hype anymore. It's becoming a real economy with real revenue, real brands, and real cash flow. And if you get in early, before the next hype cycle, you can own the infrastructure of the next internet, not just speculate on it. If this helped you see the metaverse in a new light, smash that like button. Have you made money with digital real estate? Drop a comment and share your experience. And if you want more strategies like this, subscribe to Super Capital now. Own assets. Earn passively. Think ahead. This is Super Capital.